Ioneo Masterclass. Hi, good to see you here. Hope you're doing well, safe, and healthy. I'm Akansh. I'm your mentor at Ionair. Ionair tutorial series of social science. Today is our first class and आज हम बात करेंगे French Revolution पे. So without wasting your time, let's get begin. Today's topic Introduction Causes of French Revolution. तो क्लास स्टार्ट करने से पहले कौन मुझे ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर देगा? डेमोक्रेसी वर्सेस मोनार्की. इंट्रोडक्शन. व्हाई दिस रेवोल्यूशन रिक्वायर्ड. Symptoms of revolution. Causes of revolution. When did revolution begins? Where did begins? Outcome of revolution. ये सभी टॉपिक्स आगे की क्लास में हम कवर करेंगे. सो इस स्लाइड को आप ध्यान में रखें. फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन स्टार्टेड इन 1789. 1789 में फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन स्टार्ट हुआ. सीरीज ऑफ इवेंट स्टार्टेड बाय द मिडिल क्लास shaken the upper classes. The people revolted against the cruel reign of monarchy. This revolution put forward the ideas of liberty, fraternity, and equality. The revolution began on 14th July 1789 with the storming of the fortress prison, the Bastille. The Bastille, the fortress prison, was hated by all because it stood for the despotic power of the king. The fortress was demolished. फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन 1789 में स्टार्ट हुआ, जिसने जो अपर क्लास लोग थे, जो क्रूएल थे, उनको हिला दिया थ्रू द मिडिल क्लास जो लोग होते थे. उसके बाद यहाँ पे बात हुई है राइम की. राइम बेसिकली रूलिंग को कहा जाता है जो 1789 से पहले होती थी मोनार्की सिस्टम पे. और उसके बाद आया लिबर्टी, फ्रेटर्निटी, जस्टिस, इक्वालिटी. अगेन एक क्वेश्चन है कि कौन से वो फिलोसोफर हैं जिन्होंने ये आइडिया लाया जिसको हम लिबर्टी, इक्वालिटी, फ्रेटर्निटी या जस्टिस कहते हैं. चलिए अब देख लेते हैं लिबर्टी, फ्रेटर्निटी, जस्टिस, इक्वालिटी, इनका क्या मतलब होता है. व्हाट इज़ ऑल अबाउट. सो लिबर्टी हिंदी में कहें स्वतंत्रता. लिबर्टी इज़ द फ्रीडम टू लिव योर लाइफ इन द वे दैट यू वांट विदाउट इंटरफेरेंस फ्रॉम अदर पीपल ऑन द अथॉरिटीज़. राइट. अब बात करते हैं इक्वालिटी. हिंदी में समानता. जी हाँ, इसकी बात करें, इक्वालिटी इज़ द सेम स्टेटस, राइट एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर ऑल द मेंबर ऑफ अ सोसाइटी, ग्रुप और अ फैमिली. फ्रेटर्निटी मीन्स बिरादरी, कंपेनियनशिप. फ्रेटर्निटी refers to friendship and support between people who feel they are closely linked to each other. When it increases, it becomes nepotism. Yeah. Now, justice means nyay, fairness in the way that people are treated. Now we move to the three-state theory. In France, there is a three-state means three class. Like we have upper class, lower class, middle class, and general class. Likewise, they also have the three-state. State one is list of group of people who look out church matters. Second state is called noble state, in which a high rank order admiral work group of peoples were working. And third state is not considered with the name, but is a third state consists of businessmen, merchant, peasants, labor, lawyer, doctors. The first two state is exempted regarding paying taxes, and the third state the only state who pay taxes. So whether you thought why this French Revolution came in existence, because of some causes. Now talk about some causes. That causes come because taxes levied or imposed on the third state, basically third state society classes who are called deprived classes or lower middle classes. So these causes become the existence for French Revolution. Political causes, economic causes and social causes. तो चलो अब देख लेते हैं causes of French Revolution. पहला, social cause. French society during late 18th century, termed old regime, that is usually used to describe the society and institution of France before 1789. I think we already discussed the society was divided into three states, right? Now, the first two classes were exempted from paying taxes. उनको कोई टैक्स नहीं देना है. And they enjoyed privileges by birth. Nobility class also enjoyed feudal privileges. Only the member of third estate had to pay taxes to the state. ये मैंने पहले भी आपको बताया. Now, direct taxes called theat. Yeah. डायरेक्ट टैक्सेस को थीट कहते हैं. एंड ऑल्सो नंबर ऑफ इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस विच वर चार्ज एज article of everyday consumptions like salt, tobacco. Now the question come here, what is direct tax and indirect tax? Like if you buy a shoe, अगर आप शू खरीदते हो then आप 18% GST देते हो, so that become indirect tax. जबकि वो शॉपकीपर जो देता है डायरेक्ट गवर्नमेंट को, that become डायरेक्ट टैक्स, राइट. चलिए आगे देखते हैं पॉलिटिकल कॉज. लुई 16 1774 में केम इन द पावर एंड फाउंड एम्प्टी ट्रेजरी. लॉन्ग ईयर ऑफ वॉर हैड ड्रेन मनी ऑफ फ्रांस, सो उनका जीडीपी गिर गया. ना लुई 16 हेल्प्ड अमेरिका 13 colonies gain the independence from common enemy ब्रिटेन. करेंसी पैसा यूज़ हुआ बहुत ज़्यादा in war, right? Now tell me, what is the name of France currency? It's livre. So Louis 16 luxurious life जीते थे. Extravagant palace of Versailles. So regular expenses जैसे maintain करना, army, court, government offices, universities, that include taxes on third estate, and that increase the taxes on third estate. Now आगे देखते हैं. आगे है इकोनॉमिक कॉसेस. सो सबसिस्टेंस क्राइसिस हुए, जैसे कि द population of France roses to 28 million in 1789. This also increase in the demand of food grains and productions not keep pace with the demand, which ultimately increase the price of food grain. So worker employees salary also not increases, they are taken. Now the situation become worse due to drought and hail. This led to the scarcity of food grains, so people not able to have a meal, then how could they perform better, sound and well physically, right? So these are some causes which is the outbreak of French Revolution. So guys, hope you understand well and ask questions in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe, share, comment and like.